Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is about my blog number 21. In this post, I've shared a few ways to make learning more effective using social media. Social media has proven to be one of the best tools to learn and share if used correctly. And 5 effective ways to use social media for learning in schools. Here is a quote that defines social media. We don't have a choice on whether we do social media. The question is how well we do it. If we use social media as a tool to build the future of our coming generations, it will pay off one day. While teaching is one of the noble professions, it is equally demanding. Teachers are entitled to the sole responsibility of raising leaders for tomorrow. To learn more about social media and how teachers can use it, check out our podcast and visit Rajtheblogger.com. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.